Meet our QH series hydrogen generator. Engineered for lab high-pressure hydrogen applications. Compact design, easy to carry. Produce 99.999% hydrogen up to 10 megapascal with indication accuracy down to 0.01 megapascal. It supports one-touch start or stop, beginner-friendly, with all working status displayed clearly for intuitive observation. Multiple safety interlocks run automatically in the background. One-click setting for maximum pressure limit and alarm thresholds. With real-time flow rate, pressure, operating time, water tank temperature, water TDS, current, voltage and other key parameters monitoring. It can automatically record current and voltage data, with all recorded parameters displayed intuitively on the touch screen in real time. Perfectly matching high-pressure hydrogenation reactors. Fuel cell testing. Continuous microflow hydrogenation. Reduction gas and shielding gas applications. Contact us for full details. info@hydropowtech.com